Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete a shelf on Goodreads. All right. So first up, just go ahead and log into your Goodreads account. Now, once you're in here, just go to the top and then these tabs, just click on My Books. Click on it. Now, once done, as you can see here you have your custom shelves. Okay. I have here delete me shelf and shelf number 100. Now, if I want to delete one or delete this too, all I have to do is just go ahead over to the top and here we have bookshelves. All right, just click on edit. And here, these two custom shelves right here, as you can see, or as you might remember, delete me and shelf number 100. So to delete, just click on X besides it. There will be a prompt, are you sure you want to remove or delete this shelf? The books will stay in your books, but the shelf label will be gone. Okay, just hit on OK. Another one, OK. Click on I'm done. And after that, it will be gone. That is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.